Listen to me, JD. You do not qualify to be in this classroom because you are so full. I always wonder, what are you capable of doing?
Okay. I know that I'm not talented on school stuffs. But, I know that you cannot answer any of my 4 simple questions. Can you?
What are those questions?
Question 1. What can you do if you are asked to put an elephant into a fridge?
That is not possible, of course.
You fail. It's just simple. You will open the fridge and put an elephant in there. Question 2. What would you do if you are asked to put a rabbit into a fridge?
You will open the fridge and put a rabbit inside there. It's so simple.
You fail again. You will get an elephant outside before putting a rabbit inside. Third question. If a lion, a king of forest, hosts party, which animal would not attend that party?
You are asking silly questions. How can I know that? I don't know.
Oh my god. You can't even answer such simplest? Don't you understand that the rabbit that is enclosed in the fridge is the only animal that won't attend that party?
Holy shit. I'm done with being questioned.
Wait a moment. There is only one remaining question for you to answer. Last question asks, how can you cross a river that has aggressive crocodiles?
Of course you can't feed yourself to that crocodile. You won't cross the river.
0 out of 4. You will cross the river freely because all crocodiles will have attended lion's party too.
You 2 rats. How do you dare giving high five in front of me? Hurry up. Come here.